Face yoga sure is fun and effective, but without understanding the right ways to perform face exercises, it can lead to unwanted results. In this video, I want to help you understand 3 things. 1. Mistakes that most people make while doing face yoga. 2. Precautions that you need to take to avoid and fix these mistakes, especially related to jawline. Yes, today we are talking about jawline. And then, of course, you will have a very effective jaw exercise with a few fun tricks to get a chiseled jawline faster. This will be followed by a jaw massage technique that will help you relax your whole jaw and neck area. When you have a chiseled jawline, not just your face, but also your neck looks more elongated and more feminine. Why just feminine? I think it looks great on men too. You appear a lot more attractive without having to go under knife. So stay tuned to this video till the end because this is one power-packed and information-loaded video. Welcome to Blush With Me, and today let's talk about getting that V shape. So your facial muscles are connected to one another, unlike the muscles in some of your other body parts. For instance, if you do bicep curls, it will not have any effect on your calves, right? So any kind of movement on one part of your face will have an impact on other parts as well. All these muscles on your face are constantly active, and your face in general goes through a lot more. It's exposed to sun a lot more. It is exposed to wrinkling a lot faster. The skin is thinner, a lot more gentle. So your signs of aging show a lot faster on your face. And that's why sometimes all these muscles that are moving constantly on your face can also lead to asymmetry and unevenness of your facial features with time. Say for instance, Brad Pitt or Michelle Pfeiffer. Now these were some of the faces that were considered to have the most symmetrical faces. But with time, even their facial symmetry changed. Now, this happens to a lot of actresses too, but you can't see it because of all the surgical help. But with face yoga, you can achieve better facial symmetry and strengthen your facial muscles to fight gravity for much longer. Makes sense, right? Just like your body skin stays firm and tight for those who work out, my face yoga workout can do the same for your facial skin too. But just remember to follow the instructions to enjoy the benefits of face yoga. The reason I wanted to make this video about mistakes and precautions is because when I work with some of my clients one-on-one or even in group webinars, I noticed that some of them could be performing certain exercises in a wrong way, which can actually cause more damage to your appearance. For instance, if I tell you to hold your mouth out like this for an exercise, I noticed that the form sometimes is completely wrong. Some people land up making this face and pull down like this. This is really bad. This can actually age you faster, increasing the distance in your philtrum. For more supervised and customized facial yoga, you can reach me for my one-on-one training services too. I also offer group webinars where we follow steps week after week to strengthen your facial muscles. Find out about my upcoming webinars on my website. I'll be sure to link it below this video. First 10 to sign up get a special discount. Okay, so let's talk about the mistake that most people can make while performing face yoga. So the mistake is to work with a dry face. Take a look at this dry leaf and this fresh leaf. The dry leaf has less elasticity and less flexibility as compared to the fresh leaf. People who have dry skin age faster in general. Now when you twist and stretch your skin, which is already dry, this is what happens. More damage. You can improve this elasticity in skin by doing a few things. Easiest one and the most effective one is to drink a lot of water. Water is a solution to most health and beauty problems in our life, and yet people take it for granted. Water will provide surplus moisture to improve your circulation, your blood circulation throughout your face from within. So when you drink a lot of water, it benefits any exercise. Most of its benefits affect your skin internally. When you add an oil or a skin balm or a moisturizer on the outside on your skin, you get your skin ready for the ultimate results with face exercises. Any of these products will add that extra glide to your skin. Your skin will not overstretch, trying to perform these exercises. Next point is to understand what happens to your face in one part is an effect of how you use your facial muscles in other parts of your face. For instance, if you smile here, it has an effect on your crow's feet in the long run. But please, don't stop smiling. Just watch my videos and also my upcoming eye exercise series that you can purchase on my website to learn how you can fix all your eye aging concerns that are all non-invasive. Coming soon! So in case of your jawline, changing the appearance of your jawline is a result of weak facial muscles around your neck, around your cheek, and also your mouth area. The goal should be to train all these muscles for a sharper jawline ultimately. Think about it. What is the heaviest part of your face? Your cheeks, right? The weight of your cheeks respond to gravity. As you age, you will notice jowls, which is the hanging right here in this part. You notice runner's face. When your cheeks start to sag, they pull down all the muscles around your mouth area. And then there is the weight of your double chin and the lymphatic drainage. When this is coming down, this starts drooping down, this part starts to sag, and the double chin starts hanging. There's very little scope to show a defined jawline. Okay, so now let me show you the exercise and the massage technique to fix this whole area. So tilt your chin slightly down towards your chest and pull the corners of your mouth downwards and outwards to create a contraction at the front of your neck, like this. This is what your mouth will look like when you're tilting your chin down. In this exercise, you are strengthening your platysma. Now, platysma is a muscle that connects your chin and your neck, so it weakens faster. Normally, you don't use this muscle as much as you use the other facial muscle. And if you don't use something, you lose it. So in this exercise, you start activating your platysma. Hold every contraction for about 5 counts. This exercise will not just help you get that chiseled jawline, but also help you get rid of those jowls, the sagging jowls, tighten your neck, as well as lift the skin on your chest so you have an appearance of a more smooth, wrinkle-free chest as well. Perform this exercise for 10 to 15 times if you're a beginner, but at any point of time, if you start finding some kind of strain or pull and you feel uncomfortable, then stop doing it. Start with just 5. And don't overstretch it. Don't try to overdo something. Like when you go to the gym, on day 1, you wouldn't start using heavy weights. Go easy if you're a beginner. Tilt your head up and rotate your head in semicircle, stretching all your neck muscles. Now for the massage technique. Dab a little bit of oil on your lower part of your face, that is around your jawline, and also between your fingers. Hold your fingers like this because you will need your knuckles to massage your whole jawline. And pull it up till your ears, over your ears, behind your ears, and then pull it down your neck all the way till your collarbones. Repeat this lymph drainage massage technique for 5 to 10 counts. If you're worried about the oil getting in your hair, then you can even pull down right after you reach your ears like this. I have a very sensitive skin and I don't usually do very well with oils, but I have been using Myel therapy oil for years and you must have seen this on my videos even in the last couple of years. I personally like this oil because it does not leave your skin feeling greasy. It is lightweight and yet it is very hydrating. It has a combination of some amazing lightweight oils. Lightweight, lightweight, lightweight. I know you've heard this lightweight a lot, and that's because I really want you to avoid using any kind of heavy oils on your face, such as olive oil or castor oil or anything that is too greasy. By the way, this one works great on cellulite as well. I will link it below for those of you who want to check this oil out. It's called Myel Skin Therapy Facial Oil. But if there's any other lightweight face oil that works better for your skin, then please go ahead and use that. So the exercise that we worked on today will help you strengthen your neck and your jowl, as I mentioned already. But a couple of weeks ago, I also shared some very effective and well explained exercises to strengthen your cheeks. It will be linked below, up here, and in my face yoga playlist. So So a combination of those cheek exercises as well as the exercise that I showed you today with the massage technique will help you strengthen this whole area and get a more lifted and a sharper chiseled jawline. A lot of you have written to me that I explain the logic behind these exercises in layman terms, which makes it easier for you to understand and follow the exercise the right way. The right way is so important, more important than the actual exercise itself. Like I mentioned earlier, there are tricks coming up. So here is a trick to work on a sharper jawline even when you're busy. It is also an answer to a question that I got asked by many of you during this video. By the way, this video has hit almost 10 million views. 10 million. Watch it because it has thousands of testimonials saying that my face yoga exercises work. Even if you've already watched that video, I request you to watch it one more time to refresh your memory. It really has some amazing exercises, and this will also help me reach the 10 million views goal, which is a big deal. And if you are new to my channel, then you know you have some face yoga videos to catch up on. So in that video, I had talked about chewing on fennel seeds. These are fennel seeds and they almost look like cumin seeds. And these are cardamoms. Both these spices are very fragrant and work great as a mouth freshener too. But most importantly, it takes a little bit of an effort to chew these two spices. I always carry these in my bag instead of a chewing gum. These will definitely help you get that chiseled jawline, and also you'll never have a case of bad breath again. So when you put more effort in chewing, it's basically all the muscles in your jaw area, be it your mouth, your neck, they're all working together to perform these multiple repetitions of chewing that you're usually not used to while eating a regular meal. Like I said, this trick has multiple benefits. So do try it, and in return, I want you to take your pictures before you start any of my face yoga exercises, and then again, take pictures every 4 and 8 weeks when you start noticing a difference. And please let me know in the comments below if you found this video interesting and informational. I work very hard every week to bring you content that makes your life a little bit more richer and helps you become a better version of yourself. And it feels great to hear your response and your suggestions for next upcoming videos. So do give me your suggestions as well. Talking about suggestions, do check out some of my suggested videos that are all linked below this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel so you can see my new videos every week. I am Parmita, Chicago-based image coach and face yoga ninja. Do follow me on Instagram, Facebook fan page and TikTok for some solid image empowering content. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends who want to do face yoga but may not know the right way to do it. I will see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.